Automotive, a place to help you understand the world of automotive mobility. Please subscribe our channel for more updates. Hyundai has expanded the N Line lineup so much that almost every single model in its lineup has been given an angrier alter ego. The latest to join this trend is Hyundai La Festa, only a Chinese sedan that sits between the Elantra and the Sonata. The highlight of the new La Festa N Line is, of course, the new, more aggressive body kit and prominent air vents that make it look like a full-fledged Hyundai M model. The La Festa N Line sports a new grille with hexagon-shaped LED DRLs and glossy black trim connecting it with the aggressive headlights. It also gets significantly larger bumper intakes, an aluminum-style insert, a splitter that expands to the sides, and a Fox intake on the base of the bonnet. In addition, there's a set of two-tone alloy wheels with the N badge on the center caps, leaving the red brake calipers visible behind them. The model also gets side sill extensions, a new rear bumper with Fox outlets, a large decorative diffuser with quad exhaust pipes, plus a rather flamboyant rear wing mounted on the tailgate. Note that the Hyundai La Festa N Line is only available in the pictured matte gray shade combined with gloss black accents. The interior looks fairly modern, featuring a digital cockpit with two 10.25-inch screens and a set of physical controls below them, as well as a redesigned center tunnel with a wireless charging pad and buttons instead of the traditional gear lever. These changes may be rolled out to the rest of the La Festa range in the near future as part of a mid-life cycle update. Details that will likely remain exclusive to the N Line are the N badge on the flat-bottomed steering wheel, red stitching on the seats, and the sport driving mode. As reported by Car News China, the latest member of the N Line range does not share its engine with the rest of the La Festa range. Instead, it introduces a new turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder producing 197 horsepower. Interestingly, the new engine is slightly less powerful than the older turbocharged 1.6-liter, which produces 201 horsepower that is found under the bonnet of the lesser La Festa Luxury Sport. Hyundai has yet to announce the detailed specs, so we don't know if the N Line will be quicker than the Luxury Sport or if it gets a different tune for the suspension and steering wheel like N Line models from other markets. The La Festa N Line will be manufactured in China by the Beijing-Hyundai joint venture. Its market launch is expected next month, and it will most likely remain a China-only affair like the lesser variants. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.